Hello friends, welcome to Anything Top. In this video, we are going to compare two popular and developed countries, United States of America and Australia. We are going to compare the differences based on factors such as location, capital, population, area, languages, religions, currency, literacy rate, life expectancy, GDP, and many more. So keep watching Anything Top. There are total 7 continents in the world, and these two countries are located in different continents. America mostly located in the North America continent, whereas Australia is a part of Australia continent. The United States of America, commonly known as United States, the States or simply America, is a country comprising 50 states, a federal district, 5 major self-governing territories and various possessions. Most of the country is located in the central North America between Canada and Mexico. United States is a highly developed country and is the world's largest economy by nominal GDP, the second largest by purchasing power parity, and accounts for the approximately a quarter of global GDP. America was discovered by Columbus in 1492. On the other hand, Australia, officially the Commonwealth of Australia, is a sovereign country comprising the mainland of the Australian continent, the island of Tasmania, and numerous smaller islands. It is the largest country in the Oceania and the world's 6th largest country by total area. Talking about population, the population of America is around 330 million, and in terms of population, it is the 3rd largest country in the world after China and India. America's population growth rate is only 0.7% and its population density is 87 people per square kilometer. On the other hand, population of Australia is 25.2 million and is ranked 51st in the list of country population. Australia's population growth rate is 1.18% and its population density is around 3 people per square kilometer. The capital of United States is Washington DC and the population of Washington DC is around 6 million. On the other hand, the capital of Australia is Canberra. The population of Canberra is around 457,000. Friends, if we talk about the GDP of these two countries, then in 2020, America's nominal GDP is $22.3 trillion and is ranking first in the world in terms of GDP. In United States, GDP per capita is around $67,000. On the other side, GDP of Australia is $1.37 trillion and is ranked 13th in the world in terms of GDP. In Australia, GDP per capita is around $53,000. When it comes to currency, the currency of United States is US dollars, while the currency in Australia is Australian dollars. 1 US dollars is equal to 1.37 Australian dollars. Talking about the area, the total area of America is 9.8 million square kilometer and is the 4th largest country in the world in terms of area. New York City is the largest city in United States. There are total 50 states in America. The 50 stars on the United States flag represent the 50 states of the United States of America, and the 13 stripes represent the 13 British colonies that declare independence from the Kingdom of Great Britain. The area of Australia is around 2.9 million square kilometers and is 6th largest country in the world in terms of area. Sydney is the largest city in Australia. Australia consists of 6 states, 3 internal territories and 7 external territories. In United States, 73% of the population follows Christianity, 21% follows unaffiliated, 2% follows Jewish and 1% follows Islam. Whereas in Australia, 52% of the population follows Christianity, 30% follows no religion, 2.6% follows Islam, and 2.4% of the population follows Buddhism. If we talk about the literacy rate of United States is around 93%, while that of Australia is 99%. Talking about life expectancy, on average the person in United States lives about 79 years, whereas average lifespan of a person in Australia is about 83.5 years. Talking about military budget, the United States military budget is around $718 billion and is ranked first in terms of military budget. Australia military budget is $34.7 billion and the 7th largest country in the world in terms of the military budget. The unemployment rate of United States is around 10.2%, while in Australia it is around 7.5%. Talking about average internet speed, the average internet speed in United States is 50.2 Mbps, while the average internet speed in Australia is 67.5 Mbps. The widely spoken languages in United States are English and Spanish, while in Australia, widely spoken language is English. The national anthem of United States is the Star Spangled Banner, while the national anthem of Australia is Advance Australia Fair. The national animal of United States is bison, while the national animal of Australia is kangaroo. The national game of United States is baseball, while that of Australia is cricket and Australian rules football. According to Wikipedia website, America has the highest number of 614 billionaires in the world, while 34 billionaires live in Australia. Founder of Amazon, Jeff Bezos, is the richest man in the United States with the net worth equals $136 billion. A mining magnate, Gina Rinehart, is the richest person in Australia with the net worth equals $14.6 billion. Main tourist attractions in the United States are Grand Canyon, Niagara Falls, Statue of Liberty, and Times Square. Some of the major attractions in Australia are the Great Barrier Reef, Uluru, and the Sydney Harbour Bridge. So friends, that was the comparison points between United States of America and Australia. Which is your favorite country? Do let us know in the comment section below. If you like this comparison, then like the video and share with your friends. Please subscribe to my channel for upcoming interesting videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.